Good morning, dear children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And now, welcome to the lecture of logical reasoning. I hope you are very much excited for this today's lecture. And the topic for today is space orientation. In this space orientation, it refers to the ability to identify the position or direction of objects or points in space. Space means the whole universe, and orientation means the position of a body. Spatial orientation broadly includes the two types of motion. Like this you are seeing is the linear motion directly towards north, east, south or west, or it can be angular also, like northeast, southwest, such type of motion. Now coming to the directions. Directions are basically of four types. It is the measurement position of one thing with respect to the other things. Now there are two types of directions. First one is main directions. What is a main direction? A direction which works according to the sunrise and sunset are known as main directions. There are four types of main directions: north, south, east and west, and we can go right or left side to any of these four directions. Like if we move towards the right side of north, we will come to east, and if we move towards the left side of the north, then we will come to west side. Now the second one is cardinal direction. What is cardinal direction? A direction between two main directions. Like between north and east, we are having northeast. So northeast is a cardinal direction. There are four cardinal directions which can be understood well through this diagram. Like between north and east, we are having northeast cardinal direction. Between south and east, we are having southeast cardinal direction. Between south and west, we are having southwest cardinal direction. And between north and west, we are having northwest cardinal directions. And now we can see these directions like north, south, east, west. North is perpendicular to east. East is perpendicular to south. South is perpendicular to west, and west is perpendicular to north. That means the angle between them are of 90 degree, and they form the full complete circle. From north, if we move clockwise again towards the north, then the angle formed is 360 degree. Now what is origin? The origin is the point from where we start, or the point with respect to which we find the direction and or position of another object. That point is known as origin. Now coming towards the distance. We should know what is distance. If we want to find out the displacement or the minimum distance between the initial and the final point, then for finding the shortest distance between two points, it is necessary to know this Pythagoras theorem. According to this theorem, if the distance from a particular point is a meter in horizontal direction and b meter in vertical direction, then this c distance will be equal to under root of a square plus b square. We can also move in angular way or linear way. Now, in angular way, we can move clockwise or anti-clockwise. We all know what is clockwise. Clockwise is the direction in which our clock moves from north to east, east to south, south to west, and west to north. And anti-clockwise is the direction opposite to the direction in which our clock moves, that is from north to west, west to south, south to east, and east to again north. Now, if we go in the linear way, in the right we will go towards east, in the left we will go towards west, in the down we will go towards south, and in the up we will go towards north. Now, looking towards this, you can easily now tell me the answers of the following questions, which now I'll ask you. My first question is, in which direction mole is located with respect to Anu? Yes, we can easily tell it is located in northeast direction. Now, second question is, in which direction train station is located with respect to Anu? It is located in southwest direction. And in which direction her school is located? Very good, we can easily tell it is located in the north direction. Now, you can easily solve various questions based upon space orientation by viewing this video. Thank you. Thank you, children.